Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell an easy way to do examples 4, 5, 6 problems from lines and angles from NCERT. So this is example 4. If PQ parallel to RS, angle MXQ, so this is angle MXQ is 135 degrees and angle MYR is 40 degrees, then find angle XMY. So angle XMY, we have to find this angle. So draw a parallel line AB which is parallel to PQ. This is the line, and assume this angle as, that is angle XMBA, and angle BMY is B. So assume these two angles. Then if you observe here, XM is a transversal line for PQ and AB. These two lines are parallel. So co-interior angle, sum of co-interior angles is 180 degrees. So these are the angles A and 135. So A plus 135 is 180 degrees. So A is equal to 180 minus 135, that is 45 degrees. Then MY is a transversal line for AB and RS. So B and 40 degrees here, these two are alternative interior angles, those are equal. So here B is equal to 40 degrees. So A plus B is angle XMY. We want to find this angle. So A plus B is 45 plus 40 degrees, that is 85 degrees. So angle XMY is 85 degrees. This is example 5. If a transversal intersects two lines such that the bisectors of a pair of corresponding angles are parallel, then prove that the two lines are parallel. So let us assume the two lines are AB and CD, so which are not parallel, that is not given, which are parallel. So the transversal line here is L, then the bisectors of corresponding angles. So these are the corresponding angles, this one and this one are corresponding angles, and the bisectors here are EF and GH. So if the bisectors of corresponding angles, these two are parallel, we have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. Now assume XY are corresponding angles when L intersects AB and CD. Then here EF is a bisector, so this angle is x by 2 and this is x by 2. And here the corresponding angle is Y, and GH is a bisector of this corresponding angle, so this is Y by 2 and this is Y by 2. If you observe here, EF is and GH are parallel and L is a transversal line for these two lines. So just imagine these two lines EF and GH, and L is a transversal line. Again x by 2 and Y by 2 are corresponding angles for these two lines. So here x by 2 is equal to Y by 2 because these two lines are parallel. Then x by 2 is equal to Y by 2 means x is equal to Y. So here x is equal to Y means these two corresponding angles are equal, means AB is parallel to CD. This is example 6. Here AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, and angle BEF is 55 degrees, that is given, and EA is perpendicular to AB. So this angle is 90 degrees. So we have to find here X, Y and Z angles. So first observe these two lines are parallel, CD and EF are parallel, and ED is a transversal line. So Y and 55 degrees are co-interior angles. So sum of these two angles is 180 degrees because these two lines are parallel and this is a transversal line. So Y is equal to 180 minus 55, that is 125 degrees. And if you observe, AB is parallel to CD and XY are corresponding angles for these two lines. So X is equal to 125 degrees because Y we have just calculated 125. So X is 125. And again if you see here, there is a linear pair. So X plus this angle is 180. So this angle is 180 minus 125, that is 55 degrees. Then we have to finally calculate Z value. So if you observe here, A, B, E is a triangle. So this is 90 degrees and this is 55 degrees, just now we have calculated. And we have to calculate Z. So we know that sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle E is 180 degrees. So here Z is equal to 180 minus these two angles, that is equal to 35 degrees. So see this value, this is 35 degrees.